Now, in the same auction for the B-33, the Empire B-33 that I recently acquired, this was in the same auction. This was part of the auction. And this is an Empire accessory, model number B-34, which is the variable speed unit, as it's called. And these go for a lot of money when they're sold on their own. Now, this one's in a pretty poor state, but it's all there. It's all complete, and the flywheels and pulleys are all in very good condition. It just needs a clean up and a repaint, basically, and then this will be as good as new. So very lucky to get this. So these don't come up that often, actually. So yeah, a nice bit of Empire model steam engine accessory equipment there. Well, here's the B-34, the Empire B-34 variable speed unit after a bit of a clean up and a repaint. As usual, I screwed up the paint. That's just me. I generally do that. But it's come up pretty good. I mean, it cleaned up really nicely, particularly the pulleys and the flywheels. There's been a little bit of loss of the chrome plating on the flywheels, but that was already there. But no, it's not. It's not too bad. But I wanted to say a few things about these, because these are actually an extremely useful bit of kit, not just for Empire engines, but pretty much for any model steam engine. If you want to run accessories off of a model steam engine, it's very difficult, because, as I've said in the past when I've been steaming engines, it's very difficult to get them to run slowly, particularly even the ones with proper regulators. It's difficult to get the engines to run slowly, particularly under load. Now, this variable speed unit does an excellent job, because you've got two 5-section stepped pulleys here on each one of these shafts. So you can use this as a speed reduction unit or a speed increasing unit. So it actually works very well indeed, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So I've attached a couple of extremely crude pointers to these, this flywheel and the pulley on this one. And let's assume we're driving, the steam engine is driving this flywheel. So if you watch the pointers as I turn it, now you're going to get some stiction in the belt, but okay, so we've already done one revolution of this flywheel. This one has only done, I don't know, what, not even half. So let's go around again. So we're now up to 2 revolutions on this one, and still we haven't done a complete revolution on this. So that's about 2 3/4, and we've finally done 1 revolution on this. So that's quite a significant reduction in speed. And of course, the beauty of it is, should you wish to set it up like this and then make it 1-to-1, all you need to do is move the belt up to the middle pulleys and you don't get any reduction. And if you want to increase the speed, you then move it up to the pulleys at this end and you'll get 2 3/4 times as fast coming out of this one as you put into this one. So it's quite a useful unit. And if you want to run accessories, basically, you know, you've got to. So you can see how that there is a little bit of stiction in the belt here, because it's just not coming back to the same place. But the point is, you get an excellent reduction in speed through this, and it's ideal for running the Empire accessories or any other. You know, I mean, a lot of the German manufacturers, they made a lot of accessories for their model steam engines. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to get some of the Empire accessories. They do a lovely, well, they do 2, I think, 2 Ferris wheels. There's the slide swings. There's quite a lot of accessories that they do, but the only one I've got at the moment is the water pump, which doesn't really lend itself to this, demonstrating the speed reduction that well. But so no, hopefully in the future we'll have something which we can use this on, and show you exactly what I mean by the speed reduction. So yeah, there you go. Empire model B-34, a variable speed unit, very useful tool indeed. when running model steam accessories. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.